Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm going to talk about affirmations, basically what they are, what they do, how they've helped me in my life. So before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's very good to help y'all grow out. So let's get started. Okay. So affirmations, like what they are. So basically, affirmations is like saying like positive things. Like when you wake up in the morning, just say like your affirmations, like positive things, like I am beautiful, I am wealthy, um, I am blessed and grateful that everything is working out for me. I'm grateful that I have a roof over my head. I'm grateful I have food. I'm grateful I can buy whatever I want, stuff like that. So affirmations basically like get you in a very good mood, boost your vibrations, I want to say. Um, Definitely, I've even talked to other people that believe in like manifestation, law of attraction, you know, stuff like that. Definitely I've noticed like a positive shift in my life. Like I remember I used to think negative all the time and stuff, and a lot of bad things would just happen or accumulate in my life from thinking negative, and it's just like more negative things would happen. But the more I would wake up in the morning, do like my positive affirmations and stuff, positive things started manifesting into my life. I started to feel better about myself. I started noticing that even like my positive affirmations ended up coming true and stuff like that. Like I remember saying one thing, like I'm very happy and grateful that um, people donate money to feed kids in Africa, stuff like that. So I kept saying that, and I want to say like a month, like I want to say like a couple weeks, few weeks later to a month, I was watching this law of attraction channel on YouTube, and her name was Leor, and I remember one of the videos, it was super random too. It was really weird. She basically was like, was doing a law of attraction video. And then, like, before, I think she was being sponsored or something like that. And she said, like, whatever money you buying or purchasing this product, I think she said, like, half of this money will go to kids in Africa. Like, half of the money will go to like feeding them and buying like clothes and stuff like that. So I thought that was super cool that I saw that, because I don't really see stuff like that anymore. So it was really cool seeing that, and that my affirmation manifested that. I manifested that. So definitely doing that. Also too, like doing your affirmations too will put you in a better mood. So definitely, like, it will even start the day off right. And even if you don't believe in affirmations or whatever, if you just like, oh, that's psychological or whatever, it's better doing that versus getting up in the morning and then like dreading the day just while you wake up and being negative or whatever. Because I feel like when you wake up, like, you need to center yourself, and I feel like doing affirmations it centers myself. I feel more relaxed, especially if you have anxiety or you're nervous and stuff like that. Doing your affirmations will help calm you and center you, and it'll actually kind of build confidence and prepare you for the day, for your day to get started and stuff like that. So definitely, I just feel like affirmations, everything, that is where it's at. I want to also say too, like after you do your affirmations and stuff, like also do like gratitude, like um, say things that you're grateful for. Like I'm grateful, for the house that I live in. I'm grateful that I'm able to pay all my bills at the end of the month and then have more money left over so I can buy whatever I want, stuff like that. Like just keep saying stuff like that. Start living in the present. Like start living as if you already have it, you know. And also too, I recommend doing your affirmations when you get up in the morning and also at night too, before bed. Um, Also too, like on YouTube, there are so many affirmation videos. Like you can, if you're in the car driving to work or going to school, whatever, you can play these affirmations in the car. Just 5 minutes, like just 5 minutes of your time. Just be like, I'm happy and grateful that this is working out. I'm happy and grateful that that this is happening, and just imagine it, visualize it. Just it it gets you positive. It gets you in that vibration because we all vibrate at a molecular level and everything like that. So, you know, once you start vibrating in that frequency that you have it and that you're confident and you know you got it, then that's when all this shifting and positivity, everything is just working out, you know? So definitely just keep at it, keep going, don't give up, you know, stuff like that. So, um, yeah, definitely it's made a big impact in my life. And, you know, just especially when things are like negative in my life and stuff, I always be like, okay, let me go back to doing my affirmations. And then I start doing that. And then I start seeing like a change, like it slowly starts, like the shift changes. And I noticed a lot of positive things happen. So, yes, so I am going to conclude this video. Definitely, if you have any questions about affirmations, or if you want to manifest things or anything like that, you can go click the link down below in my bio to book a session with me, and definitely I can tell you more things about it or what you need to do and everything like that. So, um, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical. Mwah.